again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. As this is the last Wednesday of August 2020, this is my reveal. All the items that I have left in my Stash Made kit after making several layouts, which I will show you at the end. In case you missed them, they all do have process videos. However, I know it seems like I have a lot of ephemera left, but I really don't. I mean, all of these two mostly, were overflowing. They were all full to the brim. So I was able to use quite a bit. Didn't use it up, but I knew I wasn't going to. I mean, that was a lot. It was basically 5 smaller 1 to 2 page kits within one big kit. You do know that I continuously keep pulling in this. I was able to use some of this up, but obviously we're not going to get that used in a month. Now, I do have these smaller scraps left over. So, since I'm going to go ahead and hold on to this kit, and use it again, obviously I'm just going to keep it together. I am going to go ahead and recycle these pieces here because they are just too small for me to worry about using and holding on to. However, this is really pretty and I feel like I could fussy cut that out, so I'm okay with that. These are all strips that can just be used to tucked in, and that's a pretty decent size. Now, initially, I had just pulled in some stray papers that I had pulled out of these paper packs, and these were extras that I pulled. I literally only had really this piece, I believe, left after I used all of my 12 by 12 sheets. And I went ahead and just threw these 2 Amy Tangerine paper pads in it, so when I needed more, which I did have to go into them quite a lot. So let's go ahead and get those out of the way. And I'll just put this all into a 13 by 13 zip lock bag. So here are the layouts. Now, I did kind of go crazy this month, and I made this layout here, which is actually a 3-page layout. So, I mean, I did use a lot of, you can see a lot of the different clusters, but they were not heavily embellished like I normally do. I went ahead and made this layout as well. I was able to use up a lot of the stickers that I had originally put in this kit. This is another layout that I made. So this is where I used some of that. I did this one for a challenge, and it was a washi challenge, so I did not originally have washi in my layout, but I did feel good about using it because it is a Stash Made kit, right? So washi's in my stash. And I was able to use up some of these little pig dies and stuff because it's just a random picture. I made this layout, which is a double page layout. So we have the front page into the back page. And this one I took a sheet and fussy cut most of the stuff out and got to use up a lot of the Carousel collection items. Since we're on the Ferris wheel, I thought it worked. And this is the last layout that I made, using some of the green and yellow from the kit. And this is basically the rest of the scraps that I had, the big scraps. So as you've seen, I didn't have very many big scraps because I used them all up in this layout. So if anybody would like to join me in the month of September, on Wednesdays, I do a reveal video as my first video of the month, and then a wrap up as my last video, and I post 2 videos a day. So the first and last Wednesday of the month is only 1 layout video, and the other Wednesdays are 2, just to get more stuff done. So as you can see, I did quite a ton of layouts, but there is a 3-page and a 2-page layout. All right. Like I said, leave me a comment below if you would like to join in on the fun. I do appreciate everything. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.